Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin your favorite programs to the Windows 11 taskbar. Adding a program to the taskbar in Windows 11 provides quick and easy access to frequently used applications, saving time and enhancing productivity. So let's start the video. First, click on the Start menu icon. Next, scroll to the list of installed apps by clicking on All Apps button, or use the search bar at the top to find the program you want to pin to the taskbar. Once you have found the program, right-click on it to open a context menu. Now select Pin to Taskbar. So click on it. The program icon will now appear on your taskbar, giving you quick access whenever you need it. If you ever want to remove the app, just right-click on the program icon and select Unpin from taskbar. So that's how to add or remove programs icon from Windows 11 taskbar. Thanks for watching.